We're going to unbox the Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. This is the repeller itself. It is not very big, so it doesn't take up a ton of room. I really love that this is a poison-free and humane way of deterring pests and rodents, and that it works on so many different kinds of animals and pests that you don't want in your home or in your garage, or in my case, a barn. Inside you'll find the manual that goes through all of the features about this repeller, the speaker configuration, and then tips on how to use it the best. So I highly recommend reading through that. And this is what it looks like in the back. It does say indoor use only, and then they include the AC adapter that you'll need to plug it in, which just goes in the back here. So these are the two ultrasound speakers, and then this is a pulse speaker. So there are two different kinds of noise it can give off, so you have to test which one is going to work best for you. You can do either or you can do both together. So it works to deter squirrels, mice, rats, roaches, and spiders. You can use it anywhere indoors. I'm going to be using it in a barn, and it actually works with strobe lights as well. It has a pretty wide coverage, and like I said, there are a few different modes that you can use to test out what's going to work best for you. There's a little bit more information on the different modes right here on the box that you can read. And I appreciate that it's aesthetic, so it won't be unsightly wherever I end up putting it.